This man here makes more than $100 million yearly and is documenting his journey to becoming a billionaire so others can use the blueprint to do the same. His name is Alex Hormozi and he is the co-founder of School and the CEO of Acquisition.com, a company that partners and invests in businesses that make $1 million to $10 million yearly. A whole lot of moolah. This is why I have spent the last 6 months of my life watching all his videos and the last 2 months reading his 2 books, $100 million offers and $100 million leads. Hoping one day I can make $1 million and partner with him. Yeah, I got a long way to go. But in today's video, I'm going to break down the most important lessons from his 2 best-selling books, $100 million offers and $100 million leads. If you watch this video to the end, you have no option but to learn how to create an irresistible offer and get an infinite amount of leads for your business. This is because most businesses have 2 main problems: not enough clients and not enough cash. So to solve this problem, you need to get more customers, increase their average purchase value, get them to buy more times. For any of these solutions to work, you need an offer. What is an offer? The Google definition is an expression of readiness to do or give something if desired. In simple terms, an offer is what you give someone so they give you money in return. I do X and you pay me Y. In medical terms, an offer is the lifeblood of your business. The same way we need blood to function as humans, it's the same way your business needs a good offer to thrive. So what's the secret to a good offer? Good question, John. The key is to make an offer so good your prospect would feel stupid saying no. But before you start making offers, you need to make sure you're selling to the right prospect, typically a starving crowd. Why? Imagine this: you're a hot dog seller and you have the best hot dogs in the game. I'm talking premium beef sausages and homemade ketchup with a secret sauce that has been passed down from generation to generation. The buns, freshly baked, smell like heaven and are made with sweet Mexican yellow butter. How would you sell your hot dogs? If you sold somewhere on the street, yeah, you'll have a few sales daily. If you made it more expensive, you'd still sell a few customers. But what if you sold at a stadium packed with hungry fans? You sell out every day simply because you're selling to a starving crowd. Even if your hot dogs are shit, they'd still buy them. Why? Because they are hungry. The key is to channel demand, not create it. And there are 4 things to look out for in a starving crowd. 1. Massive pain. This means they really need your solution. 2. Purchasing power. This means they can buy your solution. 3. Easy to target. This means you can easily reach out to them. And 4. Growing. This means that every year the market is increasing, or at least it's not declining. Once you find your starving crowd, you have to be the guy that services this type of person or solves this type of problem. The next part is where a lot of people make mistakes. They charge based on price instead of value. What's the difference, you may ask? Let's say there are 4 hot dog sellers located on the same street. The first 3 sellers sell their hot dogs at $3. The last seller sells his hot dogs at $2. Who would sell the most? The last seller, simply because his hot dogs are cheaper. So if the other sellers wanted to compete, they'd have to sell at even lower prices. Now a 5th seller joins them on the street and his name is Alberto and his hot dogs go for $20. Out of curiosity, you walk up to his stand and ask why his hot dogs are so expensive. Now he says, "My buns are fresh made every morning using fine Bastian flour imported from Greece. So every bite you take melts your mouth like butter. Our sausages are the very best because we use meat that is non-carcinogenic, so it reduces your chances of having cancer. The ketchup and mustard are homemade with the freshest produce by my Italian grandma, so you can feel the love in every bite." All of a sudden, they're giving this guy $20 for a hot dog because he's not selling based on price. He's selling based on value. No one is making hot dogs like Alberto, so he can charge whatever he wants. This is why you need a value-based offer instead of a price-based offer. And this formula will show you exactly how. Value equals dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement divided by time delay times effort and sacrifice. Okay, let's break it down. The dream outcome is basically your prospect's biggest goal or desire. Perceived likelihood of achievement refers to trust. Does that person trust that you can get them to their dream goal or desire? Time delay is how long it takes them to achieve that goal or desire working with you. The shorter, the better. Effort and sacrifice refers to what they have to pay and do to reach that goal or desire. The key to a high value offer is to increase the top of the equation and reduce the bottom. Now, this equation only works if you follow these 6 steps. Step 1, identify your prospect's dream outcome. Your solution will be the flight taking them to that dream vacation spot. Step 2, now list all the problems stopping them from achieving that dream outcome. Think of every possible problem. Step 3, now add how to in front of each problem to turn it into a solution. For example, problem, getting rock hard abs. Solution, how to get rock hard abs. Step 4, now that you have the problems and solutions list, describe how you deliver each solution. Is it one-on-one coaching, a course, a PDF file, a book, or a service? Be creative. Step 5, remove solutions that are high cost to you and low value to your potential buyer. Leave only solutions that are low cost, high value, and high cost, high value. Step 6, put all the solutions you have left into a high value bundle. This is your high value offer. It solves solves all your buyers' problems and is unique to you, just like Alberto's hot dogs. Now you have a high value offer, but that's not all. There are several things you can do to enhance this offer. I call them GUBS. G-H-U-B-S. G stands for guarantees, H stands for headlines, U stands for urgency, B stands for bonuses, and S stands for scarcity. Imagine your TV just broke and you need to replace it. So you tell your partner, hey, I'm going out tomorrow to get a new TV. Now you forgot, you promised to help her with her book event tomorrow, and she suggests, why don't you just buy it online, honey? Now you'd rather buy something that expensive in person, but because you don't want to disappoint her, you decide to buy it online. You finally find the flat screen you like after surfing the site for 5 minutes. Now it's time to pay. One problem though, what if your expensive TV never arrives? So you freeze and consider just going out instead. Then just below the payment portal, you read this: if your item is not delivered to you in 2 days, we'll pay you back in full and add an extra $1,000 for your troubles. That there is a guarantee. Guarantees are how you eliminate risk. For example, you'll get X or we'll pay you back in full. Another thing that works just as well as guarantees is headlines. Headlines are simply the wrapper you give your offer. For example, the one-to-one business proof blueprint for a business course, or the get fit in a week push-ups challenge for a fitness coach. The right headline will get a lot of people to act. Another thing that gets people to act is deadlines. That is why using urgency also works very well. For example, you say you get X if you work with us, but it's only available for the next 2 hours. Now they need to decide in the next 2 hours or miss out on your irresistible offer. Adding urgency to your offer could be the difference between selling 10 and 40 people. But once people buy your product or service, they usually have buyer's remorse. This refers to the negative emotions buyers feel after purchasing the product. To fight this, add bonuses to your offer. Bonuses help buyers get an immediate dopamine hit that makes them feel their purchase was worth it. Now, if you've been on a diet but suddenly crave ice cream, you'd probably tell yourself, no ice cream. But it's a hot summer afternoon and want ice cream will hurt you, right? So you get the ice cream and feel bad for the moment. But as soon as you take that first bite, you're thinking, maybe I should get another one. That's how bonuses work. The quick win overcomes the feeling of loss. People generally don't like losing or missing out on a great deal. That's why this last enhancer is gold and it's called scarcity. Imagine you wanted a Coke and only one store sells it in your state. You're in a queue of 20 people who all want Coke, and the vendor says there are only 5 cans of Coke left and will only sell the first 5 people to grab them from the cooler. Now everyone is scrambling for the remaining 5 cans. This is how scarcity works. You can make your offer available only to the first 10 people who click your link. The limited supply increases the demand. There's a lot more you can learn about enhancers to make your offer irresistible. I have prepared a tool that can help you. If you're interested, click the first link in my description. Now that you have a truly high value offer, it's time to get some leads. But wait, what is a lead? A lead is anyone who is a potential client or consumer of your product. If you sell water, then basically anyone who drinks water is a lead. Still, this doesn't mean they'll buy your bottled water straight away. We humans are naturally wary of anything new or unfamiliar. That is why you have to gain their trust first. How do you do this? I'll tell you. One day I walked into an ice cream shop with my friends. The shop was new on the block and we wanted to give them a chance. A nice looking lady approached us and she said, smiling, "Hi, welcome to Yum Yum Ice Cream. Would you like a free sample?" We said, sure, why not? It's free. It was so good that I ended up buying 4 more scoops. Because of the free sample, I trusted them enough to buy 4 more times. Just like the ice cream shop, you have to give your buyers a free taste of your product or service. This is called a lead magnet, and there are 3 ways you can create one. 1. Reveal a problem. You show them a problem that they didn't know they had. 2. A free trial or sample. Give them a free taste. This is great for apps, services, and food. 3. One step of a multi-step process. Show them how to begin, but they have to pay to learn how to continue. Once you've created your lead magnet, you can deliver it in 4 ways. 1. Software, e.g. a spreadsheet. 2. Information, for example, a video, image, or a PDF file. 3. As a free service, you can work for free. And 4. As physical products, give them free merch, a free shirt. So now you have an irresistible offer and a lead magnet. What next? Now it's time to make millions by reaching out to your potential leads using Alex Hormozi's core 4 principles. These are warm outreach, cold outreach, content, and ads. Warm outreach refers to asking everyone you know if they know someone who may need your product or service. Usually you always find at least 1 or 2 persons that need your skill or product. This is the easiest to do. The problem is, except you have 10,000 friends, you run out of friends and family to ask. This is where cold outreach comes in. Cold outreach is tough because you're reaching out to strangers, people who have never heard of you. This is why you have to make it personal and deliver big, fast value. Give away something crazy, aka your lead magnet, so you can earn their trust first. To do cold outreach, you need a list of potential leads to contact. This list should have their name and contact info like email, phone number, or Instagram profile. You can create this list yourself, use scraping software online, or pay someone on Fiverr or Upwork to do it for you. Choose whatever works best for you. After you have your list, contact them by calling, sending an email, or messaging them on Instagram or LinkedIn. Now, cold outreach is stressful, and if you'd rather contact many people at the same time, then I'd suggest creating content. Creating content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok is a great way to advertise your product or service for free. All you have to do is make one video or post that could potentially attract hundreds or thousands of potential potential leads. This is why creators like Alex Hormozi and Ali Abdal have gone all in on content. Also, on platforms like YouTube, you can get sponsorships with bigger brands, and you can also earn passive income through YouTube AdSense. The last of the core four puts content on steroids: ads. Now, ads are a great way to get potential leads, but I recommend getting greater content first before running ads. This is because when a piece of content does well organically, running it as an ad usually 20x's the result. For example, this means that if an Instagram reel gets 20 persons to DM you, running it as an ad will get you 400 more DMs. These are the core four, and you can do it yourself or get other people to do it for you. These people are called lead getters, and there are 4 types of lead getters: your customers, employees, agencies, and affiliates. Customers help you bring leads with referrals. Employees can be hired to do cold outreach on your behalf. Agencies can help you run ads and create content. Affiliates can sell your product or service to their audience. Now, this is a simplified version of how to get leads. If you want something more detailed with Alex Hormozi's secret strategies, click the second link in my description to get my Hormozi Leads worksheet. But with all you've learned in this video, trust me, you're way ahead of the average business owner or entrepreneur. The only thing you need to do is take action. Half of you watching this video will do absolutely nothing, and that is why your business won't grow. Actions lead to reactions. So if you take positive actions, you'll see positive reactions. My name is Kola, and I'm the founder of KA Digital. Our goal is to help you grow with content. If you're a business owner, coach, or entrepreneur with a course or consulting service trying to build your YouTube channel, we can help you grow your business with high value content so you can save 90% time, effort, and build your empire online. If you're interested in that, click the third link in my description. Peace. See you later.